I'm heading to my mom's place and Happy Rakhi! Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and it is Sunday night. I started this vlog today because I thought let me start sharing my day. My day for the next day prep starts today. I am chopping my vegetables, and because from tomorrow onwards it will be a working day, so I'm just cutting my wedges and stocking them so that I can quickly make vegetables tomorrow morning. So here I have chopped some capsicum, and to show you closely, and here I've chopped some carrots. So this is basically for morning breakfast. Let me show you. Today I made shahi paneer and I made pudina paratha, जो हम खा चुके हैं. Here, I'm sorry, I couldn't show that. I did not have time. This shahi paneer with you. This is it. ये देखिए साहब को. ये मेरा favorite Erica Palm जो हमेशा वीडियोस में ऐसे देखते हैं. गिर गया. It's finished. गर्मी से. I don't know क्या हुआ because पानी डाला हमने. हर रोज ही डाल रहे हैं. A couple of days I was not there. I went to my mother's place to stay, and my uncle had also had to go to work. So I think एक आध दिन जो miss हुआ. This is the halat. I'm feeling so sad. I feel really bad when this drops down. This is one favorite plant I have in the house. So I'll again have to replace it. Every 4-5 months, Erica Palm खराब हो जाता है. कुछ भी करता. और so coming back to my routine. So yeah, tomorrow I'll make shimla mirch and aloo ki sabzi and maybe some dal or a gravy for dinner. So I'm just prepping it because I also get busy after that. If vegetables are chopped when you're working especially, तो ज़रूर से बहुत help हो जाती है frozen से. आज मुझे आइडिया आया कि मैं डाइनिंग टेबल बैठ के चॉप करती हूँ. You know, इतनी गर्मी है, इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है अभी भी. Even अगर बारिश हो रही है, It's of no use. Trust me, मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है बेकार ही है, because थोड़ी देर की ठंडक के बाद जो आप गर्मी भुगतते हो because of humidity, the immense humidity the rains bring along, it's like a huge mess. And हर time AC में भी नहीं बैठा जाता. So like it's a crazy thing with this situation. Isn't it the same? It's really crazy, and I really feel irritated. I love winters. Apart from yes, summers give you an opportunity to wear all your favorite colorful capri length or shorts length clothes, but nothing beyond that. Maybe dresses, yes, when an occasion, up to kahan ye occasion hai, thanks to COVID, life has changed. But yeah, so that's the routine. And राखी अच्छी रही. वापस मैं आई 2-3 दिन पहले मम्मी के घर से. थोड़ा सा ही शूट किया, ज़्यादा शूट कर नहीं पाई because you know, in your family not everybody is very comfortable in being visible in the videos, but I did pick some shots. I'll share them with you in this video. A few clips. This is nice. अच्छा रहा. Of course family से मिलके तो अच्छा ही लगता है, मज़ा आता है. You feel joyous. I had my nieces. My 2 nieces were there, so I had a very good time with them. So go have a look. Hope you like it. Time machine में जाइए and वापस आइए. Okay, let me go with families. I'm heading to my mom's place and for my Raksha Bandhan, and we'll be meeting my family there. And I've packed bag for like a day or so. Let's go to Mama's house and have माँ के हाथ का खाना and family time. So let's go. So friends, I reached my mom's place. Happy Rakhi! So These are my siblings. Please tell your name.
Ragini.
Nishchay.
And हमने अभी राखी बांध दी.
Yes.
And how is the day going, guys?
Yeah, it's going very excited. I was very excited to meet you guys after like the lockdown, and it's been amazing. Thank you so much.
It's been amazing. We've been eating and hogging since.
Yes. Last half an hour.
मीठा हमारी फैमिली का फेवरेट मीठा खाया हमने बहुत सारा.
Yes, and hope you guys are having an amazing festival too.
Yeah, enjoy. I will say happy Rakhi.
Happy Rakhi.
Look here. So I had a lot of good time at Mama's house and had lots of fun with kids. And next day morning my sister made chocolate pancakes and cheese egg, which was really yummy and lip smacking. Welcome back, guys. Hope you liked seeing my moments with my family. Weekend खत्म हो गया है, कल सुबह मंडे है, डे वाइंड अप कर लिया है मैंने. And kitchen भी मैंने वाइंड अप कर दिया है. I've done my chopping, I've done all my work, and it's 11:30 almost. And I just thought I'll finish this vlog. So just before I do that, so there's this application called Star Maker, and this is not a paid video. And I follow Star Maker a lot, and I sing songs because you guys by now know I love singing. So as a hobby, I follow Star Maker and I sing songs and I record. So yesterday actually I recorded a song and I was really feeling so good. This was a song from the movie Anupama, a very very old movie, and when I was a kid I used to watch it in Chitrahar and thoroughly enjoy the serenity of this song. It's beautifully sung by Lata ji, and I really wanted to record it in my voice and see how it comes out. I mean, just a crazy little thing. So I'll just sing a couple of lines to end this vlog, and this is how it goes. कुछ दिल ने कहा म्यूजिक आता है उसमें, टिंग टिंग टिंग, कुछ भी नहीं, टिंग टिंग टिंग, कुछ दिल ने सुना, टिंग टिंग टिंग, कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसी भी बातें होती हैं, ऐसी भी बातें होती हैं, ऐसी भी बातें होती हैं, ऐसी भी बातें होती हैं. ऐसी भी कुछ बातें होती हैं जो हम दिल हमारा सुनता है और दिल हमारा कहता है, और फिर हमें लगता है कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं. So on this note, let me end this video. Hope you all enjoyed my video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and become a part of Ishani Kamra Lifestyle Vlogs, and stay blessed and stay connected. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.